Oh, no. All
right, boy.
You have to get checked. You're not right, bro. You're not right. This later.
Happy Dad Hard Seltzer. Now,
You're not sponsoring me, bro.
The Way of Water hit theaters last night, notching $17 million as it heads into its opening weekend.
Back in 2009, James Cameron's Avatar grossed
$1
billion. That made it the highest grossing movie of all time.
God damn it, I don't want to do this. See my whole junk. What's wrong with that? How many beers? Take someone down that looks like this.
I took it down first.
Yeah.
This ain't Avatar.
This is Avatar.
Like, I know I look like this right now, and I'm not the most handsome guy, but we're talking like 7 or 8 different bodies a month, at least 6 plus.
Bro, you look ugly as fuck.
Yeah, I know.
I guess I do, right? You gotta look worse though.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ugly as fuck. Where'd that tequila go? What would I have a better chance of pulling, a girl or a guy? Gabe would still take me down with dress like this, you think? I don't think I can wear this. I'm serious.
You look like a fucking grandma.
Yeah, you look like a grandma, like a Hawaiian grandma.
You do.
What the fuck?
You do.
I think I look good.
Anytime you laugh, it's like the wrinkles keep coming out. You're like
Hey.
Finish this Happy Dad. We're just gonna fuck around today. Put these on. It's Avatar season, so.
Yo, Nelk. What's the word? Throw in my 21st birthday, gang. I'm 19, gang. I'm about to be 20 in July. July 2nd is my birthday. What's the word? My 21st birthday. What is the word, Nelk?
Smash them, dude. Fuck up all our shit. The beauty fucking Pandorian. You guys see any beauties around here from Pandora?
Yo, I'm so down if you guys host my birthday party, bro. I'm so down. Like, I don't care where. I don't care where it is, bro. I'm so down.
Oh, are we the only ones? Okay.
My 21st birthday.
Cheers.
And the title of my video, Nelk through my 21st birthday. And the title of your video, we could talk about that.
Oh, alright, whatever.
But what's so great about the movie Avatar?
I don't know, why do you watch the Fresh and Fit pod every night?
You guys know where the closest bathroom is? I have to take an absolute dump.
I have absolutely no idea.
I didn't know you people, you Nauvoo take dumps.
No, I haven't shit since Pandora. I just got here. Have you guys?
I just got here.
Not yet. You haven't? I'm singing it
tonight.
I'm singing for my 11th time.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, you're going right now?
Yeah. Well,
Pandora explodes.
Pandora explodes.
Yeah, the ending is the planet explodes.
That's not true.
And just to save you the time, because the movie's 3 hours, so.
I still want to see it. I'm so excited. Thank you guys.
Us Navi, we're hung like Johnny Sins too, not like, you know what I mean?
The movie was a little bit iffy for me, man. The first one, I don't know about this one, but the first one was crazy. The CGI was yo. Don't even get me started with the CGI. The CGI, it was not right. Hopefully this one they actually like paid.
This guy's a stud.
Hey,
well done. Well done.
Have you seen the movie?
you kind of look like James Cameron.
Yeah.
Now that is a very kind thing to say.
I
Oh,
like your scarf. Well, thank you. Does it come in men's or no?
Actually, I go both ways. So
Okay, nice.
yeah.
That's funny. I do 3 shots of 42.
I just need to see ideas.
Oh, like, we're from Pandora though. I'm like 350. Yeah. He's 350 years old. U.S.
I appreciate it, man.
U.S.
I gotta say these before I
You guys have shots? Oh, you're the shit. Are you okay?
I just love getting paid $15 an hour.
What?
Don't worry.
Wait, hold on. Is it that bad here?
No, it's not bad. It's just
You should take my.
Hire her.
We can change a lot.
Hire her.
breaks down to
Hire her.
45 cents.
Bro, I'm doing this, bro. That's the question. Look.
Hold on. Is it that
This is
bad
the
here?
question.
No, it's not bad. It's just
You should take my.
You should take my number.
We can.
We can change a lot. If I ever tell you this, men or women or whatever you are, if I tell you this, take my number down. Take my number down. Trust me, take my number down. Because I'm doing this a lot. I'm going to do this a lot.
I think it breaks down to about like 25 cents a minute. It's not enough to get a smile off his face, to be completely real with you.
What about if you flew first class? What if you flew first class to my planet tomorrow?
I fucking hate traveling.
Who says that? What do you like?
No!
But what's going on?
Give him a job.
How much do they pay you guys to stand around in tight clothing and paint your
Oh. Well, they ain't getting paid by YouTube.
Not much more. Like 16 an hour? Or more. We're recruiting. I don't know if that's interesting, but...
No, I'm not going to pay myself boo for the same paycheck. I'm okay.
Okay, so we're gonna hit the bar. And if you want to hang out, we'll exchange IGs or... No?
Why are we getting such weird people today? I don't know. Already? Who the hell says they hate traveling? This kid's grilling me, bro.
Either we're gonna dine in or we're gonna take out.
I don't want to take out, but I don't want to dine in. Is there anything between, like, dining in and not, or?
Stand at the door.
No.
21.
Stand at the door.
Do something from there.
Yo, are you good, dog?
Are you good?
I'm great.
Why are you causing shit? We're supposed to be fucking
I'm just
allies.
asking.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
you
good, bro.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
don't fuck me up right now.
Okay.
Alright, I'm chilling.
Are you
Fuck
like
up.
in character or like?
No, this is just me being me. Why? What's good? Are you okay?
I'm
what are you
great.
in character?
I'm
you
great,
You look
bro.
like Wendy from Wendy's with a gut, dog.
Oh, no.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Hey, y'all get some bitches or what? Yeah, yours. I'm going to yours right now. Oh, yeah? Yeah, dressed as this, pal. Oh, Avatar pussy, huh? Yeah, Avatar fucking dicking your girl. Is he coming? Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! No, we're from a different planet. Chill, bro. Okay.
Merry Christmas! I'm Muslim! Don't celebrate Christmas, I'm Muslim! I prefer happy holidays!
The way that his mouth moves. Santa! I gotta talk. Santa. I gotta talk because the music. The music. I have to talk because of the music. I do not want to get copyrighted. I do not want to get copyrighted. Oh.
You're dead. You're dead. You're pouring drink on me, boy?
You want some right now? No, you need to chill. You might actually get punched.
Oh. Oh.
Fuck all you guys! You fucking pussy! Let's go!
Yeah, fuck all you guys.
Oh, you need to chill out.
I want to get the fuck out of here, bro.
Steiny, you need to chill out.
You have a towel. I don't have nothing. Fuck all of you. I don't give a fuck.
Hey! Yo, guess what?
Fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you.
Yo!
Yo, bro, what up with
Wait,
Steiny,
I got
bro?
the fattest fucking Cuban. I don't give a fuck. Fuck.
Yeah, just let him
Yo,
sleep.
guys, we're not even like acting right now. Like, I don't know what he did when I went to film those pranks.
I don't know.
Did he do fan up?
Someone gave you PCP, bro.
I don't take PCP.
By
Who
accident.
the fuck has my phone?
I think someone gave Steiny PCP by accident.
They did.
Okay, well. Yo, you gotta chill, bro.
No, you gotta chill.
I'm chill
Fucking
as fuck.
Avatar ass fucking
I'm
piece
chill.
of shit.
Where's my phone? My
I like
tail?
Steiny,
We
man.
fully lost Salim as well right now. This was just a bad day.
Yo,
Dressed up as
Have you seen
avatars.
Salim?
Did he Uber to a bird's house somehow or some shit? Like,
He's not here, bro.
Bro, I'm trying to look out for Salim, bro.
Me
I'm
too,
like
but you're a female.
You're just fucking doing PCP.
But you're a female.
I didn't do it on
Fucking
PCP.
eating chicken wings with
Hello?
wheeling dust birds and getting rejected.
I didn't know Oh, yeah, I got rejected.
By the black chick, yeah, he
Okay,
did.
fine,
You got a
so I
beard
did.
up like-
I want to go home. He's a bitch ass. I would take the blame for that ratchet ass bitch.
Dude, no, it wasn't.
That was your bitch. Fuck that.
Oh, what's going on? New York! SantaCon? There's a SantaCon?
Wait,
Huh? This one. What is there? Sandaton? Nah. Oh, 6ix9ine.
How about like you were talking to my girl last night at the club? Yeah, that'd be good for Charlie.
say that.
Oh no, that's 6ix9ine. It is 6ix9ine. That's where you guys. Hey, that is my opinion. I do not know. Do not quote me on this, but I think Spider Cuz is 6ix9ine. That's what I think. I don't know. I don't know if it's true or not, but I feel like it is.
Hey yo, what's up, bro? I'm fucking with my girl.
Hey, Spider-Man, back the fuck up.
Who's up with my girl?
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Huh, nigga?
Spider-Man, back the fuck up. Back the fuck up.
Yeah!
I think it was actually game mode.
It was?
No, I just kidding. I don't fight. I'm a lover.
Be a lover.
That's why I was talking to your girl.
Mary Jane!
Fuck you talking about, nigga? Fuck you, dog, nigga? I don't even wheel, man.
Spider-Man get no hoes.
That woke me up. I don't need a coffee anymore. Is Spider-Man supposed to be in here?
I don't know what you were saying.
Yeah, and there's a
Oh.
bunch of like web and shit around the corner now, so.
Oh, okay,
There's a lot of
okay.
web around the corner.
Should we get Steiny? What do you think, Chappie?
I think so. Good jokes.
Yo.
Am I getting fucked with or something?
What do you mean?
Like, where are you guys? No one else is dressed up.
Steiny,
Yeah.
did you didn't go to Bounce last night, did you?
No.
Oh, okay. No, I saw some guy in the lobby. He's like, oh, like Steiny was talking to my girl at Bounce last night.
Wait, what?
Yeah. No, I just saw some guy in the lobby.
Was he pissed?
I don't know. I was just wondering if you went to Bounce, but I was like, I don't think he went to Bounce.
Alright, peace.
Okay, peace. Yo, this guy's gonna fucking cry, bro.
Whoa! What the fuck is up, bro? Talk to my bitch. I'm asking you a question, huh? Talk to my bitch at Bounce? I'm asking you a question. Answer my question! You was talking to my bitch at Bounce?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, she'd be here right now.
Alright. You was or not?
Steiny!
Spider Cuz, nigga!
Sorry.
Fuck is wrong with you? You have the elbow, bro?
No, okay.
Love, bro. Come on, love.
Aggressive, bro.
We love it. We outside, baby. Bow.
Cheers, SantaCon.
Santa Con, we outside, you heard? Bow.
Spider Cuz is 6ix9ine! I'll play. I don't know. That's what I'm saying. It don't add up. What is Steve-O? What is Steve-O do it with Spider Cuz? Don't he hang out with a certain somebody on the side? It don't add up. It does not add up. All I'm saying is, that is my opinion. I don't know if it's true or not. I don't know. It might not be true. But that is my opinion. I truly believe that 6ix9ine is Spider Cuz. That is my belief. I don't know. You could do your own research. You could do your own research, but
Oh, yo!
You were that pepper. What the fuck?
Steve. It's smack shit out you. No, I'm good. Alright, nigga,
Yo, it's also Manager Drew's birthday tomorrow.
oh.
Spider Cuz, he needs a shot of Hennessy.
Suck my dick, Batman. You heard me outside.
We outside! We outside! We're reindeer! Reindeer,
Today is just gonna be absolutely fucking stupid. All of us dressed like Santa.
We're just getting warmed up.
How you feeling? Here, have a happy, have a happy. See that belly? See that? Ooh, that's a Santa belly right there. Cheers. You down to get fucked up? Let's go. We're ending racism here, are we?
Listen, that's all I'm here
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Can I please sit over there?
Yeah, no, it's guaranteed, obviously. 25 cents. Oh, yeah. Role play early.
Johnny, get the fuck
Wait,
off.
no.
Snyder!
All right, boys. Weirdest day. We're about to fly to Vegas right now, and we're getting O.J. Simpson on the podcast. O.J. fucking Simpson. All right. We've been trying to set this up for like 6 months. The only rule, though, that they said, don't bring up the murders and don't bring up the trial. But like, bro, come on, it's O.J. Simpson. Like, the fact that he thinks that we're not gonna talk about that, to me, it's just
Ain't no way.
you know? If you're watching this, the podcast is already out. Go to Full Send Podcast. We dropped it yesterday. Subscribe. What's that?
Verbal bomb.
What's a verbal bomb?
Verbal bomb.
Verbal bomb. Are you okay to be on Pornhub? Like, can you just say your name and say that, like, we have permission to use you on Pornhub then?
You have my permission. I will not say my name.
Okay.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna see it.
Okay. All right, so we landed in Vegas. Been waiting. Gabe, by the way, Gabe's not here. He's in Brazil, so Steiny's filling in to his old role as an assistant today, kinda. Supposed to be handling logistics. We've been waiting here for fucking 15 minutes for a ride.
I got a driver in a car. She's pulling up any minute.
Somehow late for fucking O.J. Simpson.
No, we're good. She's about to be here.
All right, this is us. Where?
Right here. The Ford Bronco.
Mazda? Ford Bronco, baby? Bro.
Bro,
Go
what?
south, you need a getaway car.
Bro, what?
No, we can't pull up in this, bro. It's funny, but it's not funny at the same time.
Text if anything goes south. I'm gonna give you my contact info and just save it as Top G. Funny thing. What? My friends and shit call me that. Just be ready for anything. Okay. Alright.
Oh fuck.
You see him?
I think, well, he probably saw the Bronco. Now they're like, what the fuck? You didn't think that one fucking through, eh? Thinks we're punking him.
Did you notice it?
That's it? Oh. Yeah,
So boys, the
because.
first group's about to pull up. The way we're gonna get away with Osgood holding the camera like this and following me around so we could get their good reaction, we're gonna tell them that we're shooting just like a little video walkthrough of the house. Oh, it's probably that.
How are you?
Hello, how are you? I'm Lionel. Sorry, what was
Michelle.
Michelle, great to meet you.
It's a pleasure.
Austin, I'm just a videographer.
Yeah, we've been filming a house showing all day today too.
Beautiful.
Have you been to the area before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did they set this up?
This home's listed at.
I guess they like bought it or something and then put it on listing.
That's the asking. Yeah. 4,200. It's the main area here. Hey. I think they're just doing some work in there or something. So yeah, this is the kitchen area here. Nice spacious kitchen. Nice pool, hot tub.
Is it salt water? Is it?
I think it's a hybrid of chlorine and salt water. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Kind of like what they use at SeaWorld. Yeah. It's a bit of a dump right now, but with some renovations, we have like a little deal. We're doing like a side business here right now, but
We usually, if a house is being shown, it needs to be in better condition.
yeah. This room could be, it's under, we're just using it as a spare right now, but it could be like an entertainment room or like a master.
Okay.
Just come on, see this room. So yeah, it could be like. That could be like an entertainment or like a master. Like it's really spacious. What's that? No? Oh. Yo guys! Hey! Shut up for a sec.
I don't appreciate this. Cockfighting is illegal.
Well, it's county to county.
It's called cockfighting. So you are the owner or you are the...
Not on paper.
Then what is the deal?
It's like a deal or no deal type of thing. Like picture me as Howie
Do,
Mandel.
do, do,
kinda like-
do, 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 do.
This would have been a perfect house, but...
Well, that's what I mean. When you're looking at a house, so you can't
No,
like
this house is
you got to see the house the way you want it to be.
This house is filthy.
Well, that just needs like a quick vacuum. That's
Quick
or like a
vacuum.
Swiffer.
But
Nelk.
I do not show my house this way. I don't appreciate the chickens. I don't appreciate the filth. No.
The filth.
I'm going to spend this type of money. I want to see a clean house.
Like no chance of putting in an offer at all, or
It would be an all-cash offer.
all cash? Really only looking for cash?
No, why are you only looking for cash?
Just better.
Well,
Coming up and shit.
We're already in a recession, but still.
Well, that's debatable. It depends on what economic form you're looking at, right? With FTX and shit. Excuse me, miss. We're just kidding. We're just filming a prank, funny video. It's just a joke.
I don't know what type of shit this is. Never show a house like this. That's disgusting.
It's a joke.
No, that's the whole point of the prank video.
Really? To show a house that's filthy?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
Don't take it to the county.
Why not?
Just not to the county.
Why not?
Because my dad works at the county.
I don't give a damn.
Please don't.
No, my father-in-law's a judge. No.
But it's Thanksgiving.
I don't care. You showed up filthy.
I do not care.
No! Not the county! Please don't. My daddy works in the county.
I don't care if your dad works for the county.
She said she's taking it to the county.
I'm leaving.
Why?
I don't want to get caught.
Bro, you signed up for this. You came fucking Canada for what?
Surrounded by Mexicans.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing. She was just pissed that the house was messy. She didn't even care about the chicken. Yeah, so animal control pulled up. I guess that lady called. But, like I said, we're doing everything properly. We have a chicken handler. The chickens aren't actually fighting, obviously.
Yeah, don't film. Oh, okay.
Sorry, I work with animals.
Oh, okay.
Got a call about cockfight.
I mean, I wouldn't call it fighting. It's just like a little side hustle here.
Ain't no way.
Boys, we got a new player!
Look at his head.
One of the people who came, she called us and said,
She doesn't like to gamble?
said like they're feeding KFC and
Appreciate it.
Feeding them their cousins.
Yeah.
I was hoping Steve was here. He's not here.
Oh, shit.
Steve is here though. You can take him. He's a little cock. I don't like that guy.
Animal control said you're a traitor.
Because you're a rat.
Oh, what the
piece of
fuck?
shit.
It's like that?
Well, you're a rat. He works for animal control, so we need someone to take him.
Go on. I'm Lionel.
What's up?
Nick.
Great to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What brings you to the area?
Just taking things out. Is that a chicken?
Yeah. This is Racer. Did they tell you about all their different names and stuff, or?
No.
Oh, really? Garrett invited you, right?
Jack.
Oh, Jack? I don't know if Jack's here today. Yeah, no, just come right on in here. Guys, we got the last player here.
What is going on?
All right, let's go, boys. Get your bets in. Get your bets in.
Woo!
Just give your money to him.
I'm good.
He wants in. He wants in. Let's go! Racer! Racer!
Looking at your camera. What the fuck am I doing here?
Keep going, keep going. Wait, you're leaving already? You just got here, though. Do you want some KFC?
Do you walk to the KFC?
Bro, get one bet in, no?
He run away.
Yo, bro, we're just messing around. We're just filming a funny video.
No, I totally got it.
Okay. Yeah. We're just messing.
I totally got into this. I was just like,
Okay.
damn, I gotta go and I gotta pee. Thank you guys. You guys have fun. You guys are pretty good.
You can pee in the house.
No, I'm good. I'm getting anxiety.
Oh, I'm sorry,
about
bro.
that.
Sorry. All right, boys. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed it, drop a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Seriously, thanks for all the support. We love you, boys. See you with the new video soon. Let's fucking play!